I'm not sure what happened to the audio here, so I'm just going to say merhaba, hoş geldiniz, or hello and welcome. My name is Becky, and this is the Magical Becky Me channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. This video is me building this gingerbread truck. I'm not a great cake food decorator, so it doesn't turn out really pretty, but it is a lot of fun regardless. So enjoy watching me make this video. So those are all of the pieces. There's 3 Christmas trees, some wheel supports, tire supports, and then a piping bag, and all of the non-parallels, some peppermint candies, and all of the frosting. There's white, red, and green frosting. today is day 5, so it's an odd day. So we start with our bluey calendar. I'm going to do the recap of everything a little bit later. So we have day 5. Where is number 5? Oh, 5 is right here. It's tiny, teeny tiny. It is a little cup that you can drink something like hot chocolate or whatever in. And it looks like there's little holes in there so it can sit on the table nicely. So here's a little set. We got the cup and we've got Bluey, we've got Bartleby, and we've got the little crown right there that Bluey wears. And then the little cup we just got today. So that is what we've received so far in the Bluey Advent Calendar for representing the Christmas swim episode. And then we have day 5 up here. This should be another volley pin. 6 is a box full of presents, which is beautiful. I love the artwork on this calendar. I think it's very pretty. It is the same on both sides. This side has the notch so that you can easily pull it out. We're going to dump this little pin out. Put this guy right again. Maybe. There we go. Opening up day number 5. Let's see what we have. Another non-duplicate piece. So this is another side piece that goes on Wally. It looks like it is it's the bottom piece. Very, very cute. So it's this piece right here. So I'm excited. We're doing good so far. We're 3 for 3, and I am loving it. So there's what that pin set looks like so far. So far, so good. No duplicates. And then we have another stitch set that we're trying to get down here. This spells out the name Stitch. And again, we are trying to complete both sets by Christmas Eve. So here's hoping for a little Christmas miracle. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you're enjoying Vlogmas so far. Thank you guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Goodoo shoodoos.